If you know you have to do something about your sleep apnea, but the thought of using a CPAP machine makes you lose even more sleep, ask your doctor about oral appliance therapy. Provided by qualified dentists, oral appliances are custom-fit, mouthguard-like devices worn while you sleep. They keep your airway open and unobstructed by supporting your jaw in a forward position, allowing you to breathe easy and sleep well. Even better, they're easy to use, portable, quiet, comfortable, and far less cumbersome than a CPAP.